Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to download and install Zillow Rental Manager on your iPhone. First, open the App Store by tapping on it. Once the App Store is open, tap on Search. On the search bar, search for Zillow Rental Manager. Next, tap on the Get button. Once downloaded, tap on Open. Now the app has been installed, and you could select either to sign up or log in. That's how you download and install Zillow Rental Manager on your iPhone. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our Amazon shop link in the description below for amazing shopping ideas.